Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech gadgets. Today, we've got something really cool for you, quite literally. It's the Arctic Liquid Freezer 240. Stick around as we dive into this amazing CPU cooler. If you're looking to keep your CPU running cool and efficient, you're in the right place. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 240 is a top-tier CPU cooler designed to handle the heat and elevate your system's performance. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, it's worth mentioning that Arctic takes quality control very seriously. Their products undergo rigorous testing and are marked with a QC sticker, ensuring that you receive nothing but the best. One of the standout features of this cooler is its compatibility with Intel's LGA1700 processors. It's future-proofed to work seamlessly with Intel's Alder Lake processors, making it a fantastic choice for those looking to upgrade. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 apart: its efficiency. This cooler boasts a superior cool plate, pump, and radiator, outperforming many AIO water coolers on the market. You can expect temperatures to stay lower, even under heavy loads. Arctic takes cooling to the next level with an additional 40mm VRM fan that's PWM controlled. This little fan, located next to the pump, provides extra cooling for the base and voltage transformer, ensuring your system stays cool when it matters most. Cable management can be a hassle, but not with the Liquid Freezer 2. Arctic has integrated the PWM cables of the fans into the sleeve tubing. This means you'll only have one short cable visible from the pump to the motherboard, reducing cable clutter. Noise can be a concern, especially with small fans. But Arctic has designed a quiet and sturdy diagonal fan specifically for the Liquid Freezer 2. It can cool your voltage converters and socket area almost silently and can even be turned off if you have sufficient VRM cooling. Unlike some other AIO liquid cooling solutions, Arctic opts for a 38mm thick radiator with a high fin density. This allows for a larger amount of water to be used in the circuit, resulting in significantly lower temperature increases. You can expect your CPU to stay cooler, even under heavy workloads. Now, let's delve into some technical specifications for the tech-savvy folks out there. To wrap it up, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 240 is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants top-notch cooling performance and future-proof compatibility. Whether you're into gaming, content creation, or just want to keep your system running at its best, this cooler has you covered. If you're interested in upgrading your CPU cooler game, check out the links in the video description below to get your hands on the Arctic Liquid Freezer 240. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for joining us today, tech aficionados. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, and we'll catch you in our next video right here on Product Critique.